Hi, people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. From where I am, it's now early evening. Yeah. So, um, getting some sunshine. It's been raining the whole of yesterday. At least today the sun is out. It's really nice. Anyways, Isaiah 41 verse 10 says, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous hand." What a wonderful word. Imagine if we lived in a world without God. Well, for those who believe in God, even if you don't, look at what's around you. You definitely believe that there's a higher power up there somewhere. I believe in God. The door to your destruction is your fear. Well, let me say most of the time or some of the times if you don't agree with the first statement. Most of the distractions that come our way as a result of what we have feared. What we feared, what we have feared before. Nothing excites the enemy more than seeing us in fear and confusion. The God we serve is not a God of confusion. Well, He's a God of order. Yeah. Your fear opens ways for a whole lot of distraction. Think about it, it's true. Close the door of distraction by living by faith. Faith carries weight than a cement bag. Yeah, do you agree with me? Faith is great. Mhm. Your problem will always start approaching when your fear overrides you. I agree. If there's a life to live, live in faith. If God can rescue men in fire, remember during the time of Daniel, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were thrown into the fire, and they did not fear, even though Nebuchadnezzar was a very fierce man. You would get scared, of what he says he will do to you. But they did not think about that. They were focused on the God that they serve. Nothing moved their faith at all. So if God saved them from that fire, what other problem can he not save you from? What do you think? What do you think? Don't be moved by fear. Stand firm in the faith. Stand firm in faith, guys. Have a good day wherever you are, and good evening. Bless you. Bye bye.